A hoverboard, also known as a self-balancing scooter, works by utilizing a combination of gyroscopes, sensors, and electric motors to maintain balance and move forward or backward. The gyroscope and sensor technology detect the rider's center of gravity and adjust the motor's speed and direction to keep the board balanced. When the rider leans forward, the motors spin the wheels in the same direction, propelling the board forward. When the rider leans back, the motors reverse direction, slowing the board down or bringing it to a stop. Most hoverboards are powered by rechargeable batteries, and the battery life can vary depending on usage and the rider's weight. The board is controlled by foot pads on either side, and the rider can steer by shifting their weight from side to side. Not all hoverboards are created equal, and it's essential to choose a quality board with proper safety certifications and reputable manufacturing.